Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. A few months ago, a city in northern India experienced massive flooding. Everyone on this bus evacuated after it got stuck, and just a few minutes later, the floodwaters took it away. This poor guy had a difficult time escaping from these rough waves.
Oh my god! Oh my god. He's gonna drown. One more! Danny, get up!
This bus driver saved a student that was about to walk in front of a car that ignored the stop sign.
That was a good grab. What happened? I didn't think this truck was gonna stop either.
Does anyone know how this works? As soon as he puts his foot in the water, all the bubbles pop. Many people living in this village in Sri Lanka like to give bananas to this elephant when they drive by. As a result, this elephant will stand right in the middle of the road and wait for people to feed it bananas. Unfortunately, some people are in a hurry and can't stop to pay the toll. The ink in this pen turns into a completely different color when it dries. I bet you've never seen a hole quite like this one. Here's how quick a jumping spider hunts for food.
Bingo. I don't even know if I caught that. Don't even know if I caught that on camera.
Every tortoise loves a good massage. You just need to find the right spot. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.